Teacher Jel. It's good to see you again today. Are you happy to see Teacher Jel today?
Yes!
Great! I am very happy to see every one of you today. Wow! You look so great today. And how is everyone doing today? Are you having a good time with Mom at home?
Yeah!
Wonderful! And in today's lesson, we will be going on another expedition because we will be learning about letter J today. Can you say J?
J!
Wonderful! And J reads Ju, Ju, Ju. Can you say it with me? J reads Ju, Ju, Ju. Wonderful! And before we talk about the pictures again that starts with letter J, let's sing a song! Are you ready?
Yes!
Great! Ju is the sound of J. Ju, Ju, Ju. Ju is the sound of J. Ju, Ju, Ju. Ju is the sound of J. Ju, Ju, Ju. Ju is the sound of J. Ju, Ju, Ju. Can we make it a bit faster?
Yeah!
Great! Let's try it. Ju is the sound of J. Ju, Ju, Ju. Ju is the sound of J. Ju, Ju, Ju. Wonderful singing, little kids. I like it. You did a good job in singing with Teacher Jel. And guess where am I right now? Can we look around?
You're in the jungle.
Great! I am in the jungle because the first picture that starts with letter J is a jaguar. Can you say jaguar?
Jaguar.
Wonderful! Imagine a giant kitty bigger than your dad, with spots like yummy cookies all over its fur. That's a jaguar, the king of the jungle in South America. They have golden fur with dark spots that help them hide in the shadows like a furry ninja. They use this trick to surprise their lunch, like monkeys, fish, and even crocodiles. Jaguars love water. They can splash around in rivers and even catch fish with their sharp claws. Jaguars are also very special because not many are left in the wild. We need to take care of them so they can keep being the jungle kings. That's all about jaguars. Do you like jaguars?
Yeah!
Me too. I like to see them one day. But we have to be careful because some jaguars are dangerous. Alright?
Okay!
Great! Uh-oh! What is this? Oh no! It's an orange juice. Do you know why Teacher Jel is holding an orange juice? Uh-oh! Because a juice starts with letter J. Can we say ju, ju, juice?
Juice.
Wonderful! Can we taste the juice? Wow! It tastes so yummy. Do you want some?
I have mine.
Really? Can we drink together? Wow! This juice is so refreshing. And a juice starts With letter J, can we say ju, juice?
Juice.
Wonderful! Juice is like sunshine in a cup. It's the yummy liquid squeezed from juicy fruits like oranges, apples, and grapes. Remember that delicious taste of biting into a perfectly ripe fruit? Juice is like getting all that sweetness and goodness in a sip. Juice is a fun way to get some of the good stuff fruits have, like vitamins that help you grow strong and healthy. It's like a little energy booster after playing outside or dancing around the house. But remember, just like eating too many cookies, having too much juice isn't good for your teeth or tummy. So juice is best enjoyed in small sips like a special treat. That's it about juice. That's what we drink when it's too hot to make us feel refreshed. Exactly. Wow! There are so many jellyfishes, right? Do you like jellyfishes?
I do.
Me too! And they are so beautiful because a jellyfish starts with letter J. Can you say jellyfish?
Jellyfish.
Wonderful! Imagine a big wobbly umbrella floating in the ocean, all squishy and see-through like a giant jello jiggler. That's a jellyfish, a cool kind of animal that lives in the salty seas. Unlike you and me, jellyfish don't have any bones inside them. They're just made of squishy jelly, which helps them bob and weave through the water like living balloons. Jellyfish have long, trailing tentacles that hang down from their bell-shaped bodies. These aren't just for waving hello. They have tiny stingers that can tickle little fishes and make them yummy jelly snacks. Some jellyfish are like living nightlights. They have a special glow inside them that makes them shine in the dark ocean. It's like they're wearing their own tiny disco ball. But remember, even though jellyfish looks pretty, their stingers can give us a little ouch. Just like superheroes, they're best enjoyed with respect. And that's it about jellyfishes. They are small, beautiful creatures that God made that swims in the sea, right?
Right.
And those are the pictures that start with letter J. Can we say them again? What is the first one?
It's a jaguar.
Great! It's a jaguar. Can we say jaguar?
Jaguar.
Wonderful! How about the second one?
It's a juice.
Exactly! It's a juice, right? Can we say juice?
Juice.
Good job! And the last one is
It's a jellyfish.
jellyfish. Exactly. Can we say jellyfish?
Jellyfish.
Awesome job. Thank you so much for learning letter J with Teacher Jel again. I hope you enjoyed singing and learning letter J with me. And see you again on our next video because we will be talking about what letter is the next?
Letter K.
Exactly. It's letter K. So get ready because we will be having another expedition to discover the pictures that start with letter K. I'll see you then. Bye!